can't run away. Don't be afraid, let me worry. Jump in here. You are here to let me rush forward. Here we come. See me here. What's going on over there? What is he doing? Oh, it's amazing! It's time to use this.
Oh my god.
What's going on? After taking the medicine, he suddenly turned into a giant monster. And then the rescue team arrived. No! Damn, this monster is useful. And they finally defeated this monster. Oh, the egg is so beautiful. Hey, give it back to me. Dare to steal. Let's go again. Is it you again? Steal. You die. Go and never come back.
Aha!
I have a way. What the fuck is that? I've been found dead. Get out and don't let me see your face. And then he dressed up as a chicken. Oh man, I turned into a chicken. Luckily, I no longer doubt myself. And then he started taking eggs.
I'm sorry.
Oh, there are two cakes that look so delicious. So cool. What the beep?
Hey!
Just follow him. Hey, I'm dead. I have to run away quickly. Oh no, this place looks scary. Oh my god, it's horrible. Oh
no! Oh my god.
What's happening? How ridiculous do you think you can defeat me? And what is that? You make me mad. Oh, there's a beautiful swimming pool here. Oh, but it's scary to jump from this height. Oh no, I must not be brave enough to jump off. Oh no, it looks hard to eat. Wow, my stomach really hurts. Oh, the ambulance has arrived. It looks like his illness has been cured.